Friends, a warm welcome to all of you for another video on the Mystical channel. Are there spirits? Is it true that souls wander? Is there a life after death? This question is very old. In a sense, it is a question without a clear answer. It is a matter left to each one's belief. According to believers, there are spirits. According to non-believers, it is just an illusion. Anyway, there is no shortage of news about spirits. Such topics come to the forefront every now and then. This too is something that falls into that category. There are some places among us where unexpressed fear pervades the people. Hence, these places are recognized as areas where paranormal activities or supernatural occurrences are observed. Some hotels also fall into such categories. You may have heard about several hotels that have instilled fear due to the presence of ghosts. Now, let's learn about another such hotel in this video. This is the story of a hotel located in Somerset, South West England. The Shrewsbury Hotel in Ilminster here is currently in the news due to paranormal activities. Guests who have come here report experiencing mysterious sounds of footsteps and sensations akin to having their hair pulled. Consequently, numerous customers have expressed concern about this. It's not just the customers. Even the manager here has had a similar experience. There have been instances where bizarre sights and strange sounds were reported in the dining room, and the manager experienced it too. Moreover, there have been incidents involving phone calls to the reception from empty rooms and sightings of the former owner of this hotel, which are among the frightening beliefs surrounding this place. As stories of such strange experiences spread in the hotel, an investigation into paranormal activities has been initiated. The Somerset Paranormal Investigators UK team has conducted an investigation at this hotel. Is it really an extraordinary experience here? They are searching whether there is any evidence to what customers and managers are saying. These paranormal experts have roamed around and examined various parts of the hotel. Those in this expert team have reported that they conducted tests into separate teams using scientific instruments and following old investigative methods. Additionally, it seems this team also had a strange experience during the investigation. Some of them reportedly felt as though their hair was being pulled. Furthermore, through advanced equipment, this team apparently heard a strange voice. It seems they heard a man's voice saying Elizabeth. Elizabeth is the name of the first owner of this hotel. Naturally, this issue has piqued everyone's curiosity. After a review by paranormal experts, more wings have been added to the news about this hotel. However, is there really any negative power here? Or is there someone behind such strange experiences? Friends, if you have had any similar experiences, please let us know through a comment, and see you in another video. Greetings to everyone there.